Choosing a Gold IRA company feels risky when you don't even know what questions to ask. Miss one important detail, and you could end up with hidden fees, unfair policies, or worse. You could try to make your own checklist. Things like, what's the buyback policy? Are there spreads or hidden markups? Do they earn commissions for selling you certain products? But even then, you might miss something important. Instead of guessing, grab the free company comparison checklist. Gives you all the key questions to ask before you commit, so you can uncover red flags early and make a confident decision. You can download the free checklist below this video. I'll link it in the description. Don't leave your retirement savings up to chance. Use the checklist to ask smart questions and protect your money. Grab it below this video, it's completely free.